BabyTales.
Hello, creative souls and sky enthusiasts. Today, we're taking flight into the world of imagination as we draw and color a delightful scene featuring a kite soaring amidst fluffy clouds and a bright sun. Let's begin by sketching our lively kite. Draw a fun shape with a tail dancing in the wind. Add details like bows or patterns. It's your kite, and the sky's the limit. Now, let's draw some fluffy clouds and a radiant sun. Sketch soft, billowy shapes for the clouds and a warm, glowing circle for the sun. Picture a day where the sky is a canvas for our kite adventure. Let's add some details to our scene. Maybe draw a happy face on the sun, some rays beaming out, or even a few birds enjoying the sky. Let your imagination guide you, and make this sky uniquely yours. Time to infuse our scene with color. Choose cheerful hues for the kite, gentle blues and whites for the clouds, and warm yellows for our sun. Let the colors blend and create a sky that captures the joy of flight. This is your kite adventure, and you're the artist of the sky. Feel free to add extra details like a landscape below or even more kites soaring in the distance. Your imagination is the wind beneath their wings. And there you have it, a picturesque sky with a kite dancing in the breeze. We've turned our paper into a canvas of endless possibilities. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun and creative art tutorials. Until next time, happy drawing, happy coloring, and may your artistic journey be as boundless as the sky.